Hello, welcome back to our channel. We are here to show you how to use the 4-in-1 rain drip cut and punch tool. Your objective is to run lines for your flower bed, just like this. You're at the right place because we're going to show you how easy it is to use this tool. Give us a thumbs up if you feel this is helpful, and let's get into learning how to use this tool. Well, if you're putting in the rain drip system, there's one must tool you need to be able to be a successful installation. The easiest way to use this, number one, is cutter. Now you have to be very careful because this blade is very sharp. Stick your pipe down in the groove like this, and then you turn the pipe, the poly, and it cuts off nice and smooth like that. Don't smash it. Also, the punch, you can see the punch in the middle there. That can be a little bit on the sharp side, so you have to be careful with that. Insert the pipe into this concave area. Push down like that. You could twist a little bit. Pops out. You get a nice beautiful hole like that. Then the next feature is the opposite end. You take one of these little clips, 1/4-inch barbed connector is what it's called. You stick that, insert that in the end of the tool. You find your hole that you just made. As you twist it, hear it click in place, pull out, and there's your connector. And then you can push your small hose right over top of that. There's another option. If you put this connector in the hose already, you can lay it down inside this groove right here, like that, and then you can insert it in as well. But I don't think that function there is as good as it might sound. So there you have it. It's that easy. So if you want to click on the link below on Amazon, make it real easy for you. That will support the channel. No extra cost to you, but a few pennies will come to us. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, you have yourself a great day.